I'm gonna start off by like talking about my hair and about locks, right? Um, first of all, like they're beautiful and everything. Um, like I remember when I was young, we was always told that like the locks and stuff was like not clean, they was dirty, they stinked and all that stuff. Like, all that stuff was like a lie, like the locks they actually, and then I heard like they was heavy, was bad and all that stuff like that. And so, when I was young, I was thinking about like, oh no, I ain't getting those, what I mean? Because, what was said about them, like, oh, they're heavy, ain't no styles, they don't smell good and and all that stuff like that. But eventually that stuff was a lie. Like, once I got them, they actually light. Um, as you can see, they're beautiful. Um, they actually smell good. Like, if I put my stuff in my oils or whatever, in your hair, you walk past, it's like, damn, like, who got that on? You know what I mean? And that's just in your hair. It's like, like it's a part of me. Like, you know what I mean? If like a job or, anybody couldn't, accept me for me, then I'm like, then I'm done, or you're not for me, or or the job ain't for me, because my hair is like a part of me, like and I mean, just like, comment, subscribe, anything you want to know about them, or you got any questions or answers, and I would just answer them for you. But love my hair, love my locks, love my culture, just everything.